Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Stl Cologne. The song is Cologne, the artist is John Blue, the choreography is Sergeant Swag and MELLA. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in a step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And here we go.
R&B bullet, John Blue, Mr. Smell Good, Twister, Blue B, Gucci, single, Mango. Every time I spray on my cologne, spray on my cologne, spray on my cologne, spray on my cologne. She be like, what you got on? What you got on? What you got on? What you got on? Is it that Gucci, Versace, that is me? I be spray my neck once, wrist twice, in my body. Get it right, Giovanni, that Usher, I'm money. I spray my neck once, wrist twice, when I put it back on 95 senses. This got all of them girls tripping. Cause every time I spray on a little bit of cologne, them girls be acting different. See, first I beg, then I spray. They don't know how to behave. They be digging me like grass, trying to grease me up like wax. And they know my songs like Jay, but for you that's red like stairs. So I'm pumping them like rats, and you cupping them like Jay. Now fix your face, homeboy, fix your face. Fix your face, homeboy, fix your face. Every time I spray on my cologne, spray on my cologne, spray on my cologne, spray on my cologne. She be like, what you got on? What you got on? What you got on? What you got on? Is it that Gucci, Versace, that is me? I be spray my neck once, wrist twice, in my body. Get it right, Giovanni, that Usher, I'm money. I spray my neck once, wrist twice, when I put on my cologne. Make me smell like I'm rich when I spray on Issey Miyake. Jean Paul, man, I wanna lick my body. Thought it was a shit, but she took a whiff and she said, what you got on, Twister? I ain't even finna tell you, cause you ain't finna go and try to buy nothing for that new. She saw my gear, my teeth, my watch, my straps, my charge, my chain, my drum, cool. Even though I'm on, none of these things gotta go. She didn't really wanna hear nothing that I was talking about until I sprayed on my cologne.